good afternoon. Tapos na po ang aking tahi na square plates, cheese, puff sleeves, with shearing skirts, umbrella dress. Ito po guys, ito sinuot ni Angel, the artist. Ito guys, square plates, puff sleeves, shearing, skirts, umbrella dress. Ito na po guys ang aking tahi. Sinuot ni Angel, the artist. Siya yung may reels guys. Pakipalo sa kanya guys. Thank you. At please, likes, comments, follow and share para madagdagan pang aking mga tahi. Thank you guys!